Hi, I'm Stephen with Summit Cleaning Services. What we have here is the result of a bear break-in in the North Tahoe area. This is something we run into on a fairly regular basis, unfortunately. Generally, once a bear gets into the house, they make a beeline to the pantry or the refrigerator. They go for things like syrup, chocolate syrup, whatever they get. So our challenge here is to see if we can't save this carpet and get this out. We're going to videotape a little bit of this so you can see how it goes. So one of the first steps that we do is get some pretty hot water and do a very slow extraction. And then with time we're going to hit it with a variety of different pre-sprays to help loosen up that soil. You can see it's coming already. That's good. Alright, I'll put a little pre-spray down to break up the protein stains and some of the fats that may be in there to get a good result. And we're agitating that. Coming out nice.
Yeah, it is.
There we go. We have a great result, fortunately. With the products we used, the procedures, what was on here, we were able to get very good results. And, you know, it's not just about getting up the goo and the stains, it's also making sure that the carpet is left in a sanitary condition because bears can create quite a mess. So, at any rate, I'm Stephen with Summit Cleaning, and we're here to take care of your cleaning needs.